This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse Sanctuary-style setting on 10 acres with no HOA. 4,000 square feet, 5 bed/4.5 bath with first floor bedroom and full bath. Oversized walkout basement with wet bar, full bath, beautiful woodwork and electric fireplace with sliding doors to your own little oasis. Paved driveway with RV parking pad and hookup. Welcoming covered front wraparound porch, and beautiful hydrangeas and mature landscaping. Enter the foyer with newly installed maple Harwood floors and crown molding. Large, open concept gourmet kitchen with Maplewood cabinets, granite countertops, kitchen island, French door refrigerator, wall oven with built-in microwave, sit-down breakfast counter and pantry. Mudroom with closet located off the kitchen. Enjoy your morning coffee from your private deck accessed from the kitchen. The kitchen opens to the living room with gas fireplace and large built-in bookcases. Upstairs you will find your second primary bedroom with dual closets, one being a walk-in. The upstairs primary bath features dual sinks and garden tub, in addition to a separate shower. Second floor laundry room for your convenience. Enjoy bird watching and soaking under the stars in the hot tub or spend evenings around the fire roasting marshmallows with family and friends.